Hi, welcome to lesson number 16, where I'll show you how you can build a very simple tab control. So this is the final result. As you can see, we have 3 tabs, and clicking each one will toggle a different content. Now, the markup is pretty straightforward. We have an UL with a class of tabs that hold the links here on the top. The active one has the class of active. And then we have tab contents, which refer to these right here. Each one has an ID, tab 1, 2, 3, and so on. And the active one has a class of visible. Very simple. Now, the scripts, we do something similar to the previous demo. We're listening to click events on the document, and then we're filtering them. So if we clicked on an element whose href contains tab dash, then we move on. Otherwise, we do nothing. So if the href of the element, basically we get the attribute of the element that has been clicked, if it's not null, and if it has tab dash inside it, then since we're dealing with links, we're going to prevent default behavior. And we check if we didn't click on an active tab, we switch tabs. We remove the active class from all the tabs and all the tab contents, and we simply add it to the element that we just clicked. That's what this line of code here is doing. Now, to actually show the tab content that corresponds to the tab on the top, we get lmhref, and lmhref is basically the href of the element we clicked. So if we click on this first element, the href is tab 1. So we're getting that by ID, and we're going to get to this item. Very, very simple. And we just add the class of visible. So that's how we can create tabs. As you can see, very few lines of code and a very basic principle behind it. That was the final demo for this course. Please join me in the next lesson for the conclusion.